In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make excursion funnels, and from a request from the Sonic Galaxy, I will show you how to make light spots and the water slime stuff that kills you, the acid stuff. Okay, first we'll do excursion funnels. Make an entity, type in tractor beam, prop tractor beam, and I'll just name it linear force is the force at which it will push you. 250 is when it's positive, it pushes away from the emitter. When it's negative, it'll pull towards you. Like you can make a button, and then when you step on the button, it'll move the other way. You just make it negative. I'll just show you that. Make a button, output, on button pressed. Now right here, set linear force, and you just make it negative, and that makes it go the other way. So yeah. Now I'll show you how to work light spots. So let's make an entity, type in light spot, place it where you would like. I'll put it in the corner. And you see this funnel here that is where it's aiming. So I'm going to change the direction. Just go to pitch, yaw, roll, and just click point at and make it point at whatever you want. And brightness, you can change the color, and this last number here, the fourth one, is the brightness. So I'll put that at 2000. I'll just see how that looks. Appearance, you can set the different appearances. I'll just do a fast strobe. Custom appearance, use letters where A is total darkness and Z is fully bright, and you can make a pattern. Maximum distance in inches, I'll just put 3000. Angle, change that to 90. Outer angle, I'll change that to 90 as well. You can just play around with the settings, see what you like. Yes. Okay, now, oh yeah, when you're playing your map, for the light, you're probably going to have to go into the console and type in mat, MAT underscore Fulbright 0, because it's probably going to start out with Fulbright on, so the map will be at the highest brightness and your lights won't do anything. So you're going to have to change it to Fulbright off. I'll show you that at the end of the video. Now for the acid stuff. So let's make a block. We'll browse for type in toxic slime. Now just make your toxic slime where you want it. I made that. Okay. Okay. And make it a tiny bit lower. And just create it. And there you have your slime. And when you actually play your map, it'll be animated and stuff. It'll look like good water. Now, make another block that make a trigger. And just put it inside of your slime. Damn it. Okay. Press enter. Now tie that, Control T, tie it to trigger hurt. Okay. Trigger hurt. And just adjust the settings as needed. Damage, they'll do 120 per second. Damage cap, you can notice the damage type. I'm just going to do paralyze just to see what happens. And yeah, just save that. Okay.